Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. Do you have a corner in your home that looks just like this and you don't know what to do with it? I am here to share with you all what I did at that corner to make it look much more better. So the first thing I did was to remove the items that I have here. And then after that, I'm going to be making a build that's going to cover the trash can and another build for the top where the lamp used to be. I plan on making a planter that's right here that's going to have lights. So that way they can have both lighting and something beautiful to look at all the time in that corner. I'll be cutting pieces of styrofoam to fill in the space that's going to hold the faux flowers. I don't have a lot of styrofoam, so I'll be using cardboard to fill up the space at the bottom first before then adding the styrofoam at the top. The build for the trash is ready and that for the planter too as well. So now I'm going to be sealing off the corners for the planters and doing the necessary painting before adding the flowers. I got lots of packs of rocks from the Dollar Tree that I'll be using to fill up the top to cover up the styrofoam. After that, I attached LED lights around the planter. The LED lights were attached by the side, and then I covered the ones at the sides with rocks. This is what the space now looks like, and I am doing a full living room makeover, and I will share with you all what the living room looks like together with the planter that I have made. So stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.